Bangalore surprised me today, not with traffic, not with cafes, but with this calm. The moment I stepped into the kayak, everything felt different. Just me, the water, the breeze, and a little bit of courage. At first, I thought kayaking was hard, but once I started paddling, it honestly felt addictive. The water reflections, the golden sunlight, and that silent vibe around the lake felt like a movie scene.